Moorabbin ground, Cessna 172, Lima Sierra Papa in the southern run-up bay with Papa for a local flight to the south, runway 17 right, request taxi.
Lima Sierra Papa, Moorabbin ground, taxi holding point Golf 2, runway 17 right.
Holding point Golf 2, 17 right, Lima Sierra Papa. Good tower, Cessna 172, Lima Sierra Papa, ready 17 right for a local flight to the south.
Lima Sierra Papa, line up.
Line up, Lima Sierra Papa.
Lima Juliet, Mike, thanks.
Liner up on the arrows.
Lima Sierra Papa, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Lima Sierra Papa. Alright, feet off the brakes, on the rudders, go to full power. Airspeed's alive, revs are alive, all temperatures and pressures in the green, 50, 60, 65, up we go.
Flights over 36 is morning, Alex, southbound.
Flights over 36, right up.
Yeah, 100 feet, landing light on.
The helicopter open visual.
Flights 36, still got the Tiger inside.
Okay, Flight 36 has got the Tiger off inside.
Lima Juliet, Mike, how far south are you going?
4 feet.
Okay, we might as well go back. Nobody out to my right. Nobody centre. Nobody left. Let's go.
Traffic Cessna 172, Tango Zulu Charlie's entering and runway 17 passing 2,600 on climb, crest flight level 140 on a track for Point Norman.
Echo Alpha Kilo 70, identified and track for Point Norman, climb 2 for the 140.
Track Point Norman, flight level 140, Echo Alpha Kilo.
There's Karam. Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172, Lima Sierra Papa at Karam 1500, inbound with Quebec.
Lima Sierra Papa, Moorabbin Tower joins downwind for 17 right.
17 right, Lima Sierra Papa. Okay, let's come down. Pointer up at the pier. City in the background.
Traffic in the Point Ormond, Melbourne Coastal area, Echo Alpha Kilos, 2 minutes to a parachute drop, expect 5 parachutes from flight levels in the Point Ormond, Melbourne Coastal area.
Lima Sierra Papa joining downwind.
Lima Sierra Papa, number 1.
Lima Sierra Papa. Okay, brakes, undercarriage, mixture master mags, landing light on. Oil temperatures and pressures in the green.
Traffic in the Point Ormond,
Hatches and
Melbourne
harnesses
Coastal
are
area,
secure.
Echo Alpha Kilo has 5 parachutes away from flight levels in the Point Ormond, Melbourne Coastal area.
1,000 feet. parallel with the runway.
Papa Charlie X-ray ready 17 right for crosswind departure.
Papa Charlie X-ray, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Papa Charlie X-ray.
There's my threshold. Okay, power back. Two stages of flap and turn. Knots. $600. 75. Aircraft ahead of me.
Lima Sierra Papa, clear to land.
Clear to land, Lima Sierra Papa. 75. And turn. Final stage. $70. $400. $70. $70. That's more like it. Okay, flaps up. And this is Charlie. Okay, landing light off, nav, strobe, cross to the ground, and stand by.
With Quebec, 10 POB, requesting taxi, 17 left.
India Bravo, India ground, taxi at Westernport Golf 17 left.
Golf 17 left, India Bravo, India.
Moorabbin ground, Lima Sierra Papa on Charlie, request taxi to the apron.
Lima Sierra Papa to the apron.
Lima Sierra Papa.